This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking the lean angle and root plate. This tells you whether simple bracing will work. Remove loose soil around the base and trim heavy fronds to reduce leverage. Once you know the soil type and root exposure, set 2 anchor points opposite the lean and place protective padding on the trunk. Use a slow, controlled strap attachment at chest height to avoid bark injury. You want to stabilize movement, not snap the tree upright in one pull. You now perform a gradual correction using anchors set away from the trunk at 30 to 45 degrees. Attach wide straps low on the trunk and increase tension in small increments, pausing for hours so roots can settle and not tear. While tensioning, backfill the exposed root flare with loose, well-draining soil and firm it gently to restore contact. Make sure moisture is consistent. Dry soil will not settle well. Once the trunk is near vertical, maintain tension for several weeks to allow root reestablishment. Finish by leaving the braces in place long enough for roots to regrow, usually 6 to 12 months. You should inspect monthly and after heavy weather, looking for new roots at the flare and any bark compression or rot. If the palm shifts or shows stress, loosen straps slightly to relieve cambium pressure and retighten after correcting anchor positions. This prevents girdling. If the trunk or root plate worsens, stop and call a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.